Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Walmart account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and of course, first of all, check out the website. So basically, when you open this Walmart, so you have the search bar here where you can search for everything at a Walmart online and in store. And you have a bunch of things in the top right corner. Also, we can check your items, your account, your basket, etc. But of course, to create a Walmart account, we'll need to go and click on the top right corner on the sign here. Then you need to go and click on sign in or create an account. So basically click there. And of course, sign in to or create an account. So here you need to go and see. So not sure if you have an account, you can enter your phone number or of course your to check it out. So basically, I do not have an account. I'm going to enter my email address here and then just click, of course, the continue button. Now, they will tell me, of course, that I don't have an account and I can start creating my account. So first of all, I will post my first name. So just so you know, the account information is for the sake of this video. This isn't real. These are not real information. Then here you just need to go and type in all of these stuff. Just a second. And click continue. Now your account will be created and you will get a, of course, code on your phone number. When you get a code on your phone number, guys, then you can just go click verify account and your account will be created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.